हम पढ़ने वाले हैं रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज और एक्टिविटी सीरीज के बारे में। इट इज़ द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ मेटल्स इन द डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर रिएक्टिविटीज़। जब भी मेटल्स को उनकी रिएक्टिविटी के अकॉर्डिंग एक डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज कर दिया जाए, देन दैट डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर इज नोन एज देयर रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज. The data provided by the reactivity series can be used to predict whether a metal can displace another in a single displacement reaction. रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज़ की मदद से हम ये इजीली प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हैं दैट इन डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन कोई मेटल दूसरी मेटल को डिस्प्लेस कर सकती है या नहीं कर सकती है. As we can see that this is the reactivity series which is done in accordance of hydrogen atom. In left half section, these are the metals which are more reactive than hydrogen, and in the right half section, these are the metals which are less reactive than hydrogen. Overall, we can say that potassium and sodium are more reactive metals and gold and platinum are least reactive metals. Characteristics of reactivity series. The metals at the top of reactivity series are powerful reducing agent. They easily oxidized. Also these metals tarnish and corrode easily. जो मेटल्स रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में टॉप पे प्रेजेंट रहती हैं वो एक स्ट्रॉन्ग रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट और इजीली ऑक्सीडाइज्ड होने वाली मेटल्स होती हैं. ऑल्सो इन मेटल्स में कोरोजन की प्रोसेस बहुत स्पीडली एग्जिस्ट करती है. मूविंग डाउन इन द सीरीज, the reducing ability as well as the electropositive nature of metal decreases. With the help of reactivity series, we can say that high reactive metal easily displaces the low reactive metal. Higher ranking of metals require great amount of energy for their isolation from ore and other compounds. Effect of oxidation in everyday life. Oxidation affect our daily life in terms of corrosion of metals and rancidity of food. Corrosion. Reaction of air and water on the surface of metal is called corrosion. जब भी किसी मेटल के सरफेस पर एयर, वाटर और मॉइस्चर रिएक्ट करते हैं तो इस प्रोसेस को corrosion बोला जाता है. Also, we can say that the corrosion is the process of deterioration of metals. Specifically, in case of iron, the process of corrosion is known as rusting. And in this process of rusting, oxygen, moist or air react on the surface of oxygen and a brown flaky substance layer up on the surface of iron. This process is known as rusting, and the brown flaky substance that layer up on the surface of iron is known as rust. The chemical formula for rust is Fe2O3.XH2O. In case of copper, copper acquires green coating due to corrosion. Silver tarnishes if it have black coating. Lead and stainless steel lose their luster during corrosion. Rancidity. The change in odor and flavor of oily and fatty food by oxidation is called rancidity. Food gets spoiled and a foul smell arises. An unpleasant taste can occur due to rancidity. Method to prevent rancidity. We can prevent our food items from rancidity by adding antioxidants to them. Now, antioxidants are those chemical substances which prevent food items or fat containing substances from oxidation. Antioxidants are like BHA, butylated hydroxyanisole, BHT, butylated hydroxytoluene, nitrogen, etc. are used as antioxidant to prevent them from rancidity. By keeping in airtight container, by vacuum packing, by refrigeration of food, and by storing food away from light. Please subscribe our channel for more such helpful videos, and you can visit our website. Also like this video and share your views in comment section.